Welcome to the Notary Educators with Kimmi YouTube channel. Hosts Kimmi and Jeff Nunnally, along with Alexis Franklin, share expert insights to help you launch and grow a successful mobile notary business, no matter what state you are commissioned in. Learn how to become a top-notch loan signing agent and get answers to common notary questions. Explore our all-inclusive $47 monthly training library, plus live weekly online coaching sessions with courses on general notary work, wedding efficient services, remote online notary, ink fingerprinting, apostille, translation services, and I-9 completion. So please remember that Notary Educators LLC is your one-stop shop for notary training. Now sit back and watch Kimmi and crew, and don't forget to subscribe to the Notary Educators with Kimmi YouTube channel for more tips. Take your notary business to new heights.
Giovanna says, I just got your notary journal. Oh, cool, Giovanna. What are your thoughts about the journal? What are your thoughts? Tell me, did you get the hardback or the paperback? Let me show it again. Which one did you get? Hardback, paperback? That hardback, y'all, is so nice. So anyway, I'm going to have to get ready to get out of here. But Joy Mentorship, again, for my people that are here tonight, I think oh, good. You like it? But how do you like it, the paperback? They're both very nice because that looks so rich. This is the paperback, and it's so rich looking. I changed the cover of it. I just love it. Anyway, so yeah, I'm going to go live tomorrow in the group, and we'll have some more conversations. So probably tomorrow evening is when I'll be free. I have appointments most of the day. So I am going to run. I have to get out of here. Got a 7:30. I love the detail of it and watch the video. Yes. Yes, Giovanna. So I highly recommend when you do get the journal, you want to step-by-step to understand really why this journal is so important. Catch that video from the other day. I'm telling you, because this journal is life-saving. When you're a notary and you get that call from an attorney and they're like, hey, what happened at that signing 5 years ago? You're like, I don't know. I can't even tell you what I had for breakfast 2 days ago. Let me think about it, for real. 2 days ago. I don't remember. Jeff, did we go to lunch with your mom yesterday? No, right? Was that yesterday?
Yeah.
That was yesterday. See, I can't remember what I did yesterday. Yesterday I had lunch with my mother-in-law and my husband at Cracker Barrel. So I had pancakes. The day before that, I don't know. I really don't. So imagine an attorney calling me from 5 years ago and want to know who the witnesses were. I don't know. If they call me about a signing I did 2 days ago, unless it was crazy, that's what I always tell my clients. If you had a crazy transaction, I remember those people all day long, right? If you came late, if you was irate, if you was mean, if you was this, if you was that. But just a regular run of the mill, I don't remember. I promise you. You want to be memorable, but not really in the notary space, because that means you did something crazy. Let me get these last couple questions and I am out. Giovanna says, what goes on the emboss? Your name, the embosser. Yes. Your name goes on there, your county, typically your state. The same thing that goes on your regular notary stamp. And really quick, and you'll get this in training. You should have already gotten it somewhere. I don't know where you started, Giovanna. But the embosser, I only use that to make things look pretty. That does not replace your regular notary stamp, okay? It does not replace your regular notary stamp. So what I use my embosser, because some people say, my state said I can't use one. You can use your regular stamp, which is the one you're always using. But then in addition to that, just to make certain things look pretty, your clients will ask you for it. And a lot of newer notaries will say you don't need that, okay? But I'm preparing you in case somebody call you, you'll be ready so you don't have to get ready. I've been in groups where people say, hey, do anybody have an embosser? My client wanted embossed. I don't have one. But I'm helping you to already have that so you don't have to worry about it. You already prepared. So the embosser does not replace your regular stamp. It's just in addition to, right? So I'm wearing earrings, but I also, in addition to that, plus I have on lipstick, right? So I have my regular notary stamp, but plus I'm going to add the embosser and the gold seal. I like the gold because it just makes the paper look pretty. You can use silver, but I prefer gold. I put the gold seal on it and then I crimp it And it's just to make it look pretty. It really doesn't add any more weight to it. Your client doesn't know that, but they're going to ask you for it, especially if they're older, if it's in a power of attorney, if it's a deed or something like that. Okay. But typically I would never use an embosser at a loan signing because it's 100 pages, 200 pages, 150 pages, right? We ain't sitting there embossing, plus that's not acceptable. You have to use your ink stamp. So again, embosser is not a replacement for your ink stamp. It just makes things look pretty. And people will tell you you don't need it. Technically, you don't, right? But I always do the most. And that's how I'm able to go back to the beginning of this video. Ask for 5 stars, okay? Because they already know the way your girl Kimmi and None Better Mobile Notary gonna do it, it's gonna be 5 stars, okay? On that note, guys, I have to go. Check out the card, check out the journal, check out mentorship. Okay. Until next time, guys.